Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic in JavaScript, working with nested arrays. Specifically, we'll be diving into how to retrieve specific elements from within these complex data structures. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to navigate and manipulate nested arrays is an essential skill for any JavaScript enthusiast. In this video, we'll be tackling the challenge of accessing the first array's last element, the second array's second element, and the third array's first element. Sounds intriguing. Let's get started. So, let's break down the problem step by step. Imagine you have a nested array that looks something like this. Const nestedArray, up in, up to 1, 2, 3, key, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 8 here. Our goal is to extract specific elements from within this structure. To do this, we need to understand how to access the individual arrays and their respective elements. The first thing to note is that nested arrays are essentially arrays of arrays. This means we can use standard array methods to manipulate them. However, when it comes to accessing specific elements, things get a bit more complicated. To retrieve the last element of the first array, we need to access the first inner array and then get its last element. We can do this using bracket notation or the pop method. Think of it like opening a box within a box. We need to navigate through the outer layer to reach the inner one. Similarly, for the second array's second element, we'll use a combination of indexing and property access. This is where understanding how arrays work comes in handy. Remember that array indices start at 0, so the second element will be at index 1. Lastly, getting the third array's first element requires us to traverse through the outer array to reach the inner one. It's essential to visualize this process and understand how we're moving between layers. Throughout these steps, it's crucial to recognize that we're not just accessing elements. We're also navigating the hierarchical structure of our nested array. By grasping this concept, you'll be better equipped to tackle more complex problems in your JavaScript journey. Before we wrap up, let's recap the main points. 1. Nested arrays are arrays of arrays. 2. To access specific elements, use a combination of bracket notation and standard array methods. 3. Visualize the hierarchical structure to better understand how to navigate through layers. 4. Recognize that indexing starts at 0. That's it for today's video on accessing specific elements within nested arrays in JavaScript. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on programming and web development. As you practice working with nested arrays, remember to break down complex problems into manageable parts, just as we did here. With persistence and patience, you'll become proficient in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.